I would like to know something, about your last summer. What did you do? What was so important for you? And what did you take from that summer? Because I know that you have some travel, you did some travel.
Yeah, last year I went to Spain with you. It was great. Um, we learned Spanish mainly. That was the largest thing. And with that, it was crazy because of the amount of improvement you can make in a month.
And when we were in Spain, I know Cuenca is such a small city, but was so amazing. Can you tell what do you like? Did you like the best from that time, from the city, the experience?
My favorite part was the history. I really enjoyed Cuenca as like a medieval city, especially because my host family lived in the old city. So it was right next to downtown and the cathedral and all of those things, but it was still next to the walking street with all the shops and close to school. And also our activities were pretty phenomenal.
Like what? Can you tell us something about which one was your favorite, or what did you learn from those activities?
My favorite was probably the least favorite of everybody else, which was the day we went biking. Because I love biking, but the rest of the girls, they hadn't biked as often as I had. We ended up biking like 20 kilometers in a day. Well, not to intimidate anybody, but I had a great time. Other than that, I really enjoyed going to the Roman ruins in Segovia as one of our weekend trips. I have my necklace on of the...
Can you explain me a little bit the story about?
This is lapis aspera, which is what the Romans made windows out of back then. And when we went to the museum, the Roman Museum in Cuenca, they gave us sheets of lapis, and we were able to cut them. And a lot of kids made windows or like medallions that they could hang. And a friend of mine and I went, we could make pendants. So we made like 5 or 6 necklaces each, and it was just so much fun. It was a great
So
time.
you almost played the role of the archaeologist.
Yeah, kind of. It was awesome.
Would you give any advice to new students if they
What to do?
when they come to Flagler and go abroad? Is that important to you? You mentioned already that you love to travel and study. But it's important for any student to have that experience that you already did?
Yeah, traveling has changed my life completely. The first time I went abroad alone, I came back and my mom was like, so you're so much more grateful, you like understand more about being an adult and all of these things. So traveling expands your awareness about yourself and the people and the community around you, as well as an international community.